This video will provide an overview of a new workflows feature for OASIS 23, IIHS Whiplash Prevention Evaluation. The IIHS Whiplash Evaluation Protocol has some special requirements for simulation data processing. These are debiasing, time indexing, time history data, peak metric data, and completing the Excel spreadsheet with simulation data. OASIS 23 fully addresses each of the requirements outlined above. This video provides walkthrough of how these are met. First, set up the automotive assessments in Primer. Select Rear Sled, IIHS and 2025-16, kph or 24 kph and units. Add BioRid2 dummy and add information for all the structures. Then save the user data in a file or model so it can be used for post-processing. I have done this already to save time. Click on Post, then start IIHS or open IIHS separately and read in the result file. Go to Workflows, then Automotive Assessments. Notice that below the unit system header, it shows the time shift value. That indicates the curves are time indexed. In simulation data, only upper neck force Z needs to be debiased, which is done automatically when plotted. IIHS plots the final curve on the graph and score in the table. You can export this simulation data to the required Excel spreadsheet by selecting an existing Excel file and exporting. IIHS will fill all the required data automatically. You can read in ISO, MME, or CSV test data using the Import ISO, MME, CSV button and perform the peak metric data check with normalized absolute error. Test data will also be debiased and time indexed as required before calculating normalized absolute error. You can correlate all the channels with the evaluation interval configured automatically in SimVT. Open SimVT and read in test data with Import ISO, -MME or CSV button. When importing, IIHS will do the debiasing and time indexing required by the protocol. Click on Calculate Head Contact Time. IIHS will plot the head contact force from test data and set the maximum evaluation interval as required. Select the channels you want to correlate. IIHS will debias and time index as required and correlate the channels as per the protocol requirement. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.